Let's get right into it. In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you a super fast, repeatable system for creating personalized stickers from any photo. We'll be using a special Excel prompt engine with an AI like Gemini or ChatGPT, and believe me, you won't need any design skills whatsoever. Just take a look at these. How cool are they? These high-quality, super expressive stickers are exactly what you're going to be able to make. By the end of this, you'll be creating stickers just like these. So let's break down exactly how it's done.
Okay, here's our game plan. First, we're going to meet the prompt engine. Then, we'll dive into how to write the prompt body. That's your main creative step. After that, we'll watch the AI generate the sticker, get it onto your phone, and finally, we'll recap the whole simple workflow.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, Meeting the Prompt Engine. This thing is the absolute heart of the entire system.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Excel? Don't worry. Think of this workbook less as a spreadsheet and more as a powerful assistant. Its whole job is to automate all the complicated technical parts of writing an AI prompt, so you can just focus on the fun stuff.
So this engine is built on 5 key parts, and each one has a very specific job to do. We've got a universal starting prompt and a negative prompt that act as our rulebook, a template and a slang guide to shape the style, and finally the prompt table, which is where we're going to do all our work. The universal starting prompt is basically the foundation. It's the same core instruction that gets used for every single sticker, no exceptions. It tells the AI exactly what we want on a technical level: a PNG file with a transparent background, a perfect 1-to-1 square ratio, and a specific cartoon style. This ensures everything looks consistent every single time.
So if the starting prompt is our to-do list, then the universal negative prompt is our whatever you do, do not do this list. And this little section is a lifesaver because AI models learn from, well, the entire internet, flaws and all. This list helps us avoid common mistakes like blurry images, ugly watermarks, weird-looking faces, or text you can't even read. It's our quality control.
And this right here is our main workspace, a simple 5-column table. But you only really need to worry about 2 of them: prompt body, which is where you'll write your idea, and category, where you'll pick a style. The other 3 columns, they're either just for organizing or are completely automated. Easy.
Okay, on to Section 2. We're about to cover the most important part of this whole process, and you'll be happy to hear it's the only manual writing you actually have to do. Now, this is the most critical rule, so listen up. The prompt body absolutely must follow a strict 3-line format. You need emotion, visual, and text. The engine is specifically designed to look for these labels to figure out what you want, so this structure isn't optional, it's essential for it to work.
And here's what that looks like in action. Emotion sets the mood, visual describes the pose, and text gives the exact words for the sticker. See? It's clean, simple, and it works incredibly well.
Once you've written your 3 lines, your next and final task is to just click on the category cell. This pops open a drop-down menu that's basically a style filter. You can pick from things like cute and friendly, funny and meme style, or sassy and attitude to instantly change the whole vibe of the sticker. You've done your part. Now it's time to see how the engine takes your input and actually works its magic. So this is what's happening behind the scenes. The engine grabs that universal starting prompt, merges it with your 3-line prompt body, injects some keywords from the category you picked, and then tacks on the negative prompt at the very end. It builds one perfect giant instruction for the AI all by itself. I'm going to say this again because it is the most important rule of this system. You never, ever, ever edit the final prompt cell by hand. It is 100% automated. If you try to change it, you'll just break the formula. Just let the engine do its job. And now for the payoff. Head over to your AI image generator like Gemini or ChatGPT. First step, upload a clear reference photo. Second step, copy the entire auto-generated final prompt from the Excel sheet. Third, you just paste it right into the AI. And finally, you hit generate. It's really that simple. And this is what pops out, a clean PNG file with the transparent background, all ready for the final step. A professional-looking sticker from a process that took, what, a couple of minutes? Pretty amazing. We are in the home stretch now. This section is all about taking that awesome image file and turning it into a sticker you can actually use in your chats. This last part is ridiculously easy. All you do is save that PNG image to your phone. Then, open up an app like WhatsApp or Telegram, find their built-in sticker maker tool, and import the image you just created. From there, you just save it to your personal sticker collection, and you're good to go.
So let's wrap this all up by looking at your new workflow. What we've built here is a simple, elegant, and most importantly, a completely repeatable system.
The entire process really just boils down to 5 simple actions. You write your 3-line prompt body, you select a category, you copy the final prompt, you paste it into the AI, and you create your sticker. That's the whole workflow. By following that simple workflow, you now have the power to create an endless supply of fun, expressive, and totally personalized stickers for anyone you want.
So, that really only leaves one question. Now that you've got the system down, what's going to be the first sticker you create?